Hey everyone, I'm Alex. I'm from Dallas, and I love trying new food, especially from street carts.
Hi guys, I'm Mia. I'm from Chicago. I like food, but street food? Not so sure.
Mia, how's your morning going?
Hey Alex, my morning is good. I just had some tea. What about you?
Nice. I had coffee. I'm still waking up though.
Yeah, mornings can be slow sometimes.
True. So today, we're talking about something very simple but very important. How to introduce yourself to a new person.
Yes, a lot of people feel shy or nervous, or they don't know what to say.
Right. But actually, introducing yourself can be really easy.
Absolutely. Let's start like we are meeting for the first time. Ready?
Okay, let's do it.
Hi, my name is Mia. What's your name?
Hi, Mia. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
Where are you from, Mia?
I'm from Chicago. And you?
I'm from Dallas.
Oh, cool. Is it hot there?
Yes, very hot.
I thought so. So, Alex, when you meet someone new, what do you usually say first?
I usually start simple. I smile, say hello, and tell my name. Something like, Hi, I'm Alex.
Yes, smiling is really important. A friendly smile makes everything easier.
Right. Even if you are nervous, a smile can help you feel more confident.
That's true. And after saying your name, you can ask a simple question, something easy.
Like, where are you from? Or, what do you do?
Yeah, and the other person can answer, and then the talk continues naturally. I remember when I moved to a new school many years ago. I didn't know anyone. I was really shy.
Oh, I understand. That must have been hard.
Yeah, one girl came to me and said, "Hi, my name is Lily. Do you want to sit with me?" And I felt so happy.
That was kind of her.
Yes, and from that moment I learned something. Just one small sentence can start a friendship.
I love that.
Let's practice one more time, slowly.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Mia. What's your name?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Dallas. How about you?
I'm from Chicago.
Oh, that's cool.
Here are some easy phrases you can use. 1. Hi, I'm your name. 2. Nice to meet you. 3. Where are you from? 4. What do you do? 5. How's your day going? 6. That's interesting.
Yep, these are very simple, but very useful.
So remember, introducing yourself is simple. You don't need big, difficult words.
Just be friendly, relaxed, and open.
Smile. Speak slowly. Listen carefully.
And don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a language. Yes, mistakes mean you are learning. Exactly. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget to practice introducing yourself today.
See you next time. Smile.